Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into one of the most fascinating and fundamental concepts in biology, evolution. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or just curious about the natural world, stick around because this is going to be a fun ride. So what exactly is evolution? At its core, evolution is the process by which species of organisms change over time through variations in their genetic makeup. These variations can lead to new traits that might give an organism a better chance of surviving and reproducing in its environment. Now let's rewind a bit. Charles Darwin, the father of evolutionary theory, published his groundbreaking work on the origin of species in 1859. He introduced the idea of natural selection, which is the mechanism by which evolution occurs. Simply put, natural selection is all about survival of the fittest. Organisms with traits that are better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing those advantageous traits on to the next generation. But here's the kicker. Evolution doesn't happen overnight. It's a gradual process that takes place over many generations. Think of it like this. Small genetic changes accumulate over time, leading to the incredible diversity of life we see today. You might be wondering, how do we know evolution is real? Well, there's a mountain of evidence from various scientific fields like genetics, paleontology, and comparative anatomy. For instance, fossils show us a record of how species have changed over millions of years, and DNA analysis reveals the genetic similarities between different species, hinting at common ancestors. One fascinating example is the evolution of the whale. Believe it or not, whales descended from land-dwelling mammals that lived around 50 million years ago. Over time, these ancestors adapted to life in water, leading to the incredible marine mammals we know today. But evolution isn't just about the past, it's happening right now. Bacteria, for example, can evolve resistance to antibiotics in just a few years. This is a clear and sometimes alarming demonstration of how powerful and ongoing the process of evolution is. All right, that's a wrap for today. Evolution is a vast and endlessly fascinating topic, so I encourage you to keep exploring and learning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content. Until next time, stay curious.